How to make the Weeknd type vocals using AI. First, let's record our vocal take.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit.
Then I'm gonna fix the pitch using Melodyne.
If I was you, I would cut on my wrist.
And upload the vocals to Kits.AI. Here I will convert the vocals using the Male R&B Royale.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit.
Now, let's process the vocal with Melodyne for an autotune effect.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit.
De-esser to tame the sibilances.
If I was you, I would cuddle my wrist.
Blue compressor to bring the vocals forward.
It's so tired all over her body, yeah.
EQ to tame some mid-frequencies.
She just wanna roll and I don't mind it, yeah.
OTT to add more squeeze and brightness.
Ever since I was a jit, I've been legit.
Saturator to bring some harmonics to the high frequencies.
You should let her go, she wanna be it.
A bit of chorus for a digital effect.
Double O, tatted on her body, yeah.
Reverb and delay to give space.
It don't matter what they say, I'm timeless, yeah.
And here's how it sounds with the beat.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. If I was you, I would cuddle my wrist. Act so tired all over her body, yeah. She just wanna roll and I don't mind it, yeah.